Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G200 5G, and let me show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's stay here and move up to the button above the shutter. So as you can see here, we get access to more options about camera we can manage with aspect ratio at the last position. Now we are in 3 and 4, let's move to 9 and 16. And the background now has changed to the longer one, so this is how it works. Another tab here, and we can pick also the full one from the right. So now we have full camera frame, full aspect ratio, and of course you can stay on whatever you need. Now let me move back to 3 and 4, original one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.